mic on. Super Bowl. This is a Super Bowl design, Philadelphia Eagles. I'm going to do something a little different. I don't really usually talk to you guys, so I'm going to talk to you guys for a minute, alright, in this whole video. We're going to talk Super Bowl, we're going to talk sports, because at this point, I don't really like, football. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't like football, okay? I recently got into football, okay, but I don't watch it a lot, alright? But what I will do is watch the Super Bowl, okay? And for the past couple of years, I've been seeing the Patriots just go in. They're winning all the Super Bowls. They're winning everything. They're always talking about Tom Brady, okay? They're always talking about Bill Belichick. I don't know his name, but Bill Belichick, I think is his name. They're always giving him praise. He's the, Tom Brady's the GOAT. Tom Brady's the GOAT. This is all I've been hearing in the past couple of years that I've been watching football. And at this point, I just feel like if you can't beat them, join them, okay? All right? Okay? This is how I'm going into the Super Bowl, okay? This is the way I'm going in, okay? I'm rooting for the Patriots. Forget it. I know I'm doing an Eagles design. I know you guys loving this Eagle design right now. All right, I'm trying my best. But I'm going in. I'm going for the Patriots, all right? If you can't beat them, join them, okay? I'm not about to get upset, okay? You're not about to have me at the end of the Super Bowl feeling some type of way. I did that last year, okay? Last year, I was going for Atlanta. I was really rooting for them. They was doing their thing at first. You know what I mean? Come halftime, come on, y'all. What did y'all do? Y'all slipped up. Tom Brady came back through. Oh my goodness. It was pandemonium, okay? All right? I was on this little app thing that you play football and you guess. And I just, man, it was just all a mess, all right? I was all in my feelings last year. So I'm not doing it this year, all right? I'm going full-fledged Patriots. And by the end of the Super Bowl and by the end of the game, okay, and if the Eagles happen to win, okay, Eagles! Yes! Yes! Oh, yes! They did it! But if the Patriots end up winning, of course I'm gonna be like, yes, I've been rooting for you the whole time. You know what I mean? You could call me a bandwagon, but neither of these teams are my team, all right? I like the Niners. Alright, Bay Area stand up. I like the 49ers, alright? So, regardless of who wins this game, I'm not mad. You know what I mean? I'm not going into the Super Bowl mad anymore. Okay, you're not about to set me up for failure. So, I hope you guys appreciate this cut. This is the Eagles-inspired design. Shout out to Christian Perez for giving me the idea. He was supposed to do his. I don't know if he did his, but, you know what I mean? I'm going to do mine. You know what I mean? But yeah, this was a difficult cut. This kid, he was kind of impatient at the end. It kind of took long on the design. So, I don't think this is my best, but I feel like I did a good job with what I had. So, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. There's more videos to come. I make videos, back to back to back. If you guys want to know what kind of clippers I use, they're all in the description below. I used the Wall Seniors when I did this cut on the lineup. Also on the design part 2. But yeah, it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. I hope the Eagles win, but I'm going for the Patriots, y'all. I'm not about to set myself up. I'm out of here. Shit.